All right, welcome back. And I'm pretty confident I can actually do this one, maybe even in one go. So, can I name all 23 countries of North America? Let's go ahead and find out. All right, so first off is United States, where I'm from, Canada, Mexico. Oh, I forgot about these islands. Uh-oh. We have Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti. What's below Mexico? We have Guatemala, I'm pretty sure. We have Belize. El Salvador is the small one. Honduras, Nicaragua. Actually, I always wanted to go there. Costa Rica, Panama. Oh my gosh. Did I not know these? I totally forgot these little islands there. Wait, St. Kitts and Nevis? Okay, got that one. St. Lucia? That's all I know? Okay. Antigua and Barbuda, Dominica, Barbados, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, Grenada, Dominican Republic, and Bahamas. I should have gotten those. All right, replay. So let me review these. Trinidad and Tobago, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Grenada. Okay, I think I got it. Trinidad and Tobago, Grenada, and then St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So let's just start with those. Trinidad and Tobago, and that's below here. Grenada. And then something in the Grenadines. Oh my gosh. St. Vincent. Why wasn't it St. Paul? And then St. Lucia and Barbados and Dominica. Okay. Fair enough. St. Vincent and... Oh, that was easy. St. Kitts and Nevis is up here. Grenada's below. Oh, Trinidad and Tobago. St. Lucia. And then I don't know these. Jamaica. Oh, Dominicana. I didn't mean to type that. Dominican Republic, but that works. Cuba, and then Haiti is over there. Jamaica. I know we're missing... Oh, one, it looks like. Two. Wait, Barbados. Bahamas. We're so close. What did I miss? Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda is this one here. What's this part of? Not sure. Anyways, Antigua and Barbuda. Let's try that one. Antigua and Barbuda. Okay, and then Dominica's below that. And then we have Barbados below that. Yes. And then we have St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And then below that we have Trinidad and Tobago. And then we have St. Lucia. Oops. Well, I just got the location out of order. St. Kitts and Nevis. Awesome. Let's just go with Bahamas. Dominican Republic. Haiti. Cuba. United States. Canada. Mexico. Guatemala. Belize. El Salvador. Honduras. Nicaragua, big country there. Costa Rica, Panama. Oh no. What did I forget? Jamaica. Of course. Okay, let's try again. Jamaica, not going to forget you now. Antigua and Barbuda. Oh, are you forgetting? What's below it? Let's go at it again. Dominica, Barbados, St. Vincent, Trinidad, Grenada, St. Lucia. Dominica, Barbados, St. Vincent. Okay, Antigua and Barbuda, Dominica, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago. St. Lucia is up there, but what's below that? Grenada, St. Kitts and Nevis. I think I got all of these. No, it's this one. Dominica, Grenada. No, I have that. Shoot. Barbados. Oh my gosh. All right. Antigua and Barbuda. Grenada. Barbados. Not going to forget you this time. And then what's this? I think I forgot already. My mind's getting burnt out. Dominica. Okay. Antigua and Barbuda. Dominica. Oh my gosh. Wow. What a bad day. Barbados, St. Vincent, the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago. Okay. So we have Dominica is in the middle there. Barbados, St. Vincent, Trinidad and Tobago, Antigua, oh my gosh, Antigua, what, Barbuda? Yeah, St. Lucia. Grenada's that one. St. Kitts and Nevis. I think we got it. Bahamas, Jamaica, Dominican Republic, Haiti, Cuba, United States, Canada. Oh, Greenland's not considered part of this? Okay. Mexico, Honduras is way down there. Belize is above it. Guatemala, El Salvador, and then that's Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. All right, that didn't take too long, so I didn't do too bad. So we're finally able to name all 23 countries of North America. Just took a little bit of time.